Yo, what is up, YouTube? So, welcome back to my channel. For anybody that's new here, I am Frisky Hug. I'm an EDM content creator. And for today's video, guess what? We're doing another unboxing video. Alright, so welcome. So today's unboxing video is brought to you by the Rave Stop. So this is a mystery pack on their website. Comes with like 2 shirts. It depends on which one you get. I think they have 2 mystery bundles. This is the, I think like the $50 bundle. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. Just go to the website. You can go and check them out there. If you're interested in going to their website or anything like that, I do have everything in the description below. If you, I think I have my code on there. I think it's just Frisky Hug. If anything, just go down to my description and you should find everything there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. I haven't opened it up yet. I was gonna wait for this video to kind of do everything. So I hope I don't rip anything. See, now I'm scared that I'm gonna rip the shirts or anything. So I'm gonna be gentle. Open it from the top. Alright, so here's shirt number 1. Okay, so this is shirt number 1, and it has the back here, like that. So it looks like this same logo back there is also the same logo here in the corner, and it says exist 3 times, and then it has a little alien in the center. Do a little close up if you guys can't see it. Okay, that's shirt number 1. And a lot of the designs that they have in the store, they're very similar to what I'm seeing right now. Unless you're getting like the masks and stuff like that. I've seen them do like holographic masks, which is really cool. So those are pretty nifty. And I think they just did pashminas as well. They did a bunch of pashminas. They had like a sale on those, which looked pretty cool. Okay, check out the other shirt. Okay. So shirt number 2, and the back side, there's nothing in the back, but if you look down and lower, it has it down there. So here's the logo on the front, and then what does it say on the back? Oh, okay, so that's in the back there. Let's see what else is inside. There's supposed to be more stuff in there. Oh. It came with, I don't know if this is a sticker or a tattoo. I think it's a sticker, right? I'll figure it out later. I don't want to spend all my time looking at it. And then it also came with, oh shoot. Oh wow. Oh, dude, these are stickers, for sure stickers, because there's a lot of them. So they gave me a bunch of stickers. I'm going to show them here. So I got a bunch of these. You can see it. Or I can't see it because it's like, the camera's meant to like focus on the face. But I got a couple of those. Got a couple of these 420 stickers, a couple question marks. Oh, these are trippy. Look at these. Kind of cool. And then got a couple yin yangs and spaceships with warnings on it. Can I see? Can't see, can ya? Okay, and then it came. You know what's funny? So this is Daddy on it. I don't know if you can see it because like I don't know if it's gonna be mirrored or not, but it says Daddy on it. And I've been playing video games with some of my friends, and Have you guys seen the whole Tiffany chill guy girl whatever that came out one of those videos where like I'm gonna go with she for context or whatever, but she basically has this part in this video where she goes, "Daddy chill," and that video blew up, right? So every single time me and my friends get online, we're playing video games, and you get like somebody who's raging on the video games, just calling us names, just telling us we suck at life, we live in our mother's basement. One of us will just pop the old "Daddy chill," and they're like, "What the hell is even that?" That's funny. So I'm probably not gonna wear this in public. I might wear it to a rave for sure though, one of these days. This is Daddy on it. That's mask number 1. Oh, this is sick. These are very, very good masks. I definitely approve of all of these masks. So this is the Anti-Corona Club. Very cool. Anti-Coronavirus Club. I will definitely be wearing this one in public. This is actually really lit. You guys can see that there. I can see myself wearing this public. People going like, "That's the mask I need to be getting." This is really cool. I'm really down for the mask they gave me. I'm actually a little sad that I didn't get here sooner because I would have loved to have been wearing this weeks prior. But I understand like the whole coronavirus thing is gonna come late. But very cool mask. So it looks like it came with a bunch of stickers, 2 masks, and 2 shirts. And like I said, you can expect like the shirts to kind of be very similar, what type of shirts they are. I've been going through the website and they're very similar styles. Just like any other store or any other like shop, you're gonna see similar types of styles from what they have. Everyone kind of has like a little niche type style. These are more of this like black kind of like designs and art type of shirts. And then the mask is really where they get really creative because I follow them on Instagram and they really have some really cool designs for their masks. Okay, but like I said, if you guys are interested, it's called the Rave Stop. Everything is down below. You could probably use my reference link down below, or if you're already in the website, you could use Frisky Hug for a discount. And I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I love doing these. I love kind of showing off some of the mystery boxes, I guess. Especially since I don't know what I'm gonna get. Super cool to kind of like reveal it at the same time with you guys. But I'm gonna stop the video for now. Just regular stuff, guys. Subscribe, comment, like, blah, blah, blah. Until the next one. Bye.